Assalamualaikum students. It's Word Watch of 4th class. We are reading unit number 5, Our Neighbors. And in our previous lecture, we have learned about India's place. Today we are going to read more about India. It's a fact. India is the 7th largest country in the world. India was named after the river Indus. Most of in India are Hindus or Muslims, but there are also Christians. Most of peoples in India are Hindus, and after that, our largest people of India is India are Muslims. India's people are Muslim, and after that, but there are also Christian, Buddhist, Sikhs, Parsis, and Jains. Here, hundreds of languages are spoken in India, including Hindi, Urdu, and English. Urdu is the Hindi is the national language of India, but Urdu is mostly used in India. Okay, mostly used language in India is Urdu. India is the only country in the world that has both lions and tigers. Only country in the world that has both lions and tiger, and other countries has only lions and only tigers. India is one of these country. Only one country has both lions and tigers. The Indian lions, the Asiatic lion, is smaller than the one found in Africa. The lion and tiger are both endangered animals. Lion and tiger both are endangered animals for other animals or for humans' life. Okay, and need special help to survive in the wild. The main crops grown in India are rice, wheat, cotton, tea, jute, potatoes, and sugarcane. You have known about wheat, cotton, tea, potatoes, and sugarcane. And what is jute? What is jute? Rough fiber made from the stems of a tropical plant used for making twine and rope. It's a rough fiber that is used for rope, making different types of ropes. Okay. Things that are made in India includes computers, software, steel, chemicals, cement, machines, and textiles. You know about very well about computers, softwares, steels, chemicals, different chemicals, and cement, machines. And what is textile? Fabrics and clothes are called textiles. January and February are the this is climate of India. This is paragraph about climate of India. January and February are the coldest months in the India. Summer is from April to June. January and February is also in Pakistan coldest month. Summer is April to June, and the main monsoon rain falls between June and September. India has no four season. Okay, just colder summer and monsoon. India has three seasons. Today we have learned about India's peoples, Muslims, Hindus, Sikhs, and about India's language. Hundreds of language and Potwari, Bahari. That's language, but main three language Hindi, Urdu is the mostly used in India, and second number is Hindi, and third is English. For first of next is what India has two animals. We have learned about and both animals are endangered animals. And what is next we have learned crops of India, and after that we have learned other things that India that are made in India, and climate of India. The peacock is the national bird of India. It's a fact. Other fact, peacock is a national bird of India. Here's the here is a in your notebook important topic. Here's a hint in your notebook. Print you are in a hot air balloon. Pretend you are flying over India. Pretend you are in a hot air balloon. You are flying over India. Write some sentences about what you see along the way. Here's write a paragraph about India. What do you know about India? What do you see in the India? जस्ट इट्स इमेजिनरी पार्ट। जो चीज़ें आपने टीवी में देखी हैं यहाँ इस इंडिया के बारे में सुन रखी हैं, दैट्स राइट ऑन योर नोटबुक एंड मेक अ पैराग्राफ अबाउट इंडिया। इट्स योर होमवर्क। अल्लाह हाफिज़।